Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word without password. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to restrict editing without password. Go to the File menu. Then select the Protect Document option and choose the Restrict Editing. Then select the limit of formatting to selection of a style. Then select the allow only this type editing document. Then click the read only. Then check mark on everyone. Then click yes. Then type password. Then type again the password on the next box. Then click OK. Then we can see the find and highlight the regions can I edit. Then we can see we read this document and not editing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.